All right, good morning, good morning. All right, good morning, good morning. Let's see what kind of games we're gonna see today. Good games, bad games. What a game, man. I'm alone. No teammates. Nice.
Always open to a collab, mate. Better pull your weight, though, eh?
First match of the day. Solo squad in ranked matches. Crazy good. What a game. Brilliant.
This is your champion.
Marvelous. So many willing test subjects.
Marvelous.
I am the
Marvelous.
master of my fate. And yours.
I would go to a quiet place.
Good kid. Like literally, like I'm pretty sure I've seen kids pull off moves like that.
Third party
You're like a kid.
everyone with my sniper. That's the plan, boys. That is the plan. Nobody went here,
Let's check out over there, mates.
if I'm not wrong. Let's chill now. One is with me. The other side.
Attention. First blood. Weapon's looking real pretty now. All right, inside the ring. Let the kings come to me.
Alright. They're close.
Evo harvesters are now available.
I saw them landing somewhere here. I don't know where exactly. Go for the sniper and prepare us
Attention.
for
There is
third
a new
parties.
kill leader. Weapon's looking real pretty now. Already inside the ring. Time for a cup of rosy lee. Call it a day.
Find the other one. Okay, I'm wrong. Nobody landed here. There's no 3-1.
Delivery care package. Nothing does me better.
I think I heard footsteps. Yeah. Yes. I don't want to fight now because... Okay, they are fighting.
Putting up some amped cover.
They are fighting now.
Enhanced a weapon. Not bad work for a field kit. Backing up my cover.
Let's see if we can see someone kill somewhere here.
Putting up some amped cover.
Come on, man. Don't stay inside. Come outside. Come outside. He's fully held now. This motherfucker doesn't stop. He has white armor.
Backing up my cover.
Oh my goodness!
Charging my shields.
Run.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
We chill now. They're coming.
Frag out.
Others gonna come as well. Okay, they still think I'm there. I'm gone.
Tossing up some amped cover.
Eat that, idiot. Oh.
Charging my shields.
Oh. Oh, they got Octane. Oh, someone's here.
Charging my shields. Half the squad's around. Dead. I barely got to know them.
They'll fight. Can I stay here? Oh man.
There is a new kill leader.
Well, they're fighting now. Maybe I can.
Beginning ring countdown.
Already inside the ring. Time for a cup of Rosie Lee.
See here. Let's see here.
Putting up some amped cover.
We just need to steal some kills. Nothing else. Come on.
Replicator dropping like it's hot. Amped cover's getting packed up. Thermite out. Tossing up some amped cover. Right, getting my cover out of here. Getting shot at. 45 seconds. Charging my shields. Wicked! Got me an
Idiot.
upgrade, mates. Must have leveled up. 30 seconds before the ring closes. At least it's close.
I have a cover.
Ring's close. 10 seconds. Got my leg? I'm good. Putting up some amped cover.
No, it was my kill, man.
Warning.
Getting damaged. Right, getting my cover out of here. Charging my shields.
Care package being delivered.
Kill us the kills. But we're still alive.
Enhanced a weapon. Not bad work for a field kit.
Alright, they're gonna go to the right side, I guess.
Healing up. Hold on.
Nobody is here yet. I believe.
Putting up some amped cover.
Someone's gonna come. Let's chill now. It's still possible.
Round 3. Beginning ring countdown.
Putting up some amped cover. Replicator dropping in.
There's someone here? No, it's a decoy.
Right, getting my cover out of here. Putting up some amped cover.
Above us. Someone will jump down.
Look alive. An enemy landed near me.
Oh my goodness.
Charging my shields. And cover's getting packed up. Crossing Arkstar. Putting up some amped cover. Charging my
You
shields.
won't jump, idiot.
All right. Inside the range. Please come to me.
Nah.
Tossing up some amped cover.
What the fuck?
Blanca's shooting at me. Charging my shields.
You're ugly. You're so ugly.
Give me a sec. Healing.
Attention. Delivering replicator.
Got a replicator coming in, mates. Right, getting my cover out of here.
We are still alive. There's probably people here. solo? Not solo.
10 more seconds. Rings close. Getting more of the apple core.
Not solo, man. Bro, what is this game? I swear, this is so stupid. Oh, this is so stupid, man. There is someone. Then someone's pushing them. When I pick, there's one more team on the left side. So stupid, man.
You there? Discord or no?
What up, Discord? Sorry, what up, Jetly? I'm still sleeping, man. How are you?
You said you're sleepy?
Yeah. Instead saying hi, Jetly, I said hi, Discord.
Discord's a lot better, just so you know. It's gonna be hard to hear you in game. Hello?
Hello.
Yo, yo.
Who's speaking, man?
Huh?
Who's speaking? Was it Fuse? Who spoke? Someone just spoke. Said hello. Was it our teammate Nomadic?
No, it's probably me.
It wasn't
I don't know.
sound. It doesn't sound like you.
Hello?
No, not you. Wasn't you. I think it was Fuse. But somehow I didn't see the speaker icon appear in the game.
Me either. I don't know.
Or there's someone else in Discord?
No.
I think it was.
Fuse, you got a mic? Oh, I
This
guess it
ain't
doesn't
too bad
work
of a
if I'm
spot.
on my
And
phone.
if we die, blame our mate over there.
I don't know.
games begin.
Someone said twice hello, hello.
That was me.
But it was not you, man. I know your voice.
Yeah, I said hello twice. Like
Look at that
real
plug over
fast.
there.
Yeah.
No idea they're about to die.
It's probably because I was
Enemy
connecting or
landed
something.
nearby. Pull up your pants.
Where's my weapon, man?
Above you, on
I
top.
know. I got no weapon. Is there?
Yep.
Only one? What the fuck?
Yep. He liked us.
There was someone there. I mean, full team. I saw 3 people, no? Maybe.
No, I only saw one.
Oh, poor guy. He was Randy. Where did you kill him?
Extended leg mag here.
I also
Level
was
3.
solo previous match.
You usually play solo?
Yeah, I mean, the game didn't put me in a squad. I was
Oh,
solo.
I see. I see. You did good solo, I see. Did you win? Nah.
No, I was 6th. Abas con copy. Yeah, I say. I'm gonna play sniper and the hamlock. I don't know if it's gonna work. Let's see. Let's see how it goes.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 3.
Which server is this? Is it just regular EU or what?
Yeah,
London?
EU.
Right. Which one? You know?
It's
Central?
yeah, Central. There is no different servers, man. It's all unified. There is only one server for Europe, Central, and others are NA or other.
Optics here. Mid-range.
Good morning, ladies. Good morning.
Oh, now my weapon's in hand. Just like me.
Lucky for you, I've got some extra supplies here. Optics here. Mid-range.
Ooh, Marvin.
Much more
is
laggy when I'm
different.
playing with you.
Either a care
Really?
package is coming in or the sky's just
Yeah, I was
Because-
playing EU and Tokyo solo.
Dropping out an evac tower.
Man,
Little
EU,
better.
Tokyo, what are you saying?
I play EU and Tokyo solo at night. That way get better teammates and quicker games.
But
'Cause it's like 3 a.m. here.
I understand, but we are already in EU.
Okay. Weird. It is what it is. I'll just play back more later, I guess.
Apex, man. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Let me get a good long rope either, actually. 1 second. I jumped optic here.
fancy going this way.
Madman.
Who revived?
Madman. I dropped batteries.
Shield battery here.
I didn't sleep well, man. I don't like this. I don't like this.
Real pretty now.
I'm ready to fight.
Enemy here.
This kid is gonna die.
People are. Maybe.
Maybe. We need to find a harvester so we'll get the blue armor. We need to go for here.
We've got an Evo harvester here.
There is no harvester, more harvester. Yeah, there's someone has been here.
Where?
Kinda here,
Other squads have been there. I can smell the desperation.
on top.
Got a fool OT.
Enemy over there. Stand back. Knuckle clusters firing.
Who the hell's he shooting?
Here.
Got one here. Looks scared. I don't blame him.
I'm with you.
Yeah, don't go to fuse. Fuse in the open. I just saw
I don't see
someone
anyone
land
first.
here.
Got one here. Looks scared. I don't blame him.
I'll get him.
Here.
Fool spotted.
Careful, careful, careful. Fuse in.
Yeah, they're above. He went left,
Much more to whoever
I
did
think.
that.
But they're still here.
There's a baddie.
No,
I didn't see someone.
I think he poked it away or
But there were
something.
two,
Oh shit, up top.
Charging
What?
my
Right here,
shields.
on me. On me.
Above you, above you.
Just it.
Broke their shields. Reloading.
Got him.
I
Throwing
told
thermite.
you that there was.
Yeah, I thought he went to the top.
The squad's
I guess
left.
just stayed
On
here.
the dancing shoes.
I'm watching
We're headed to a
upside.
Juicing me shields.
Recharging shields. Don't worry about me.
Clown here.
Here.
Joker here.
I know.
It's a 3v2 now, up top, probably.
Hmm.
Maybe. You see him?
No,
No?
you are careful.
Of course.
They have a scan thing on the high ground. They're waiting.
Gotta clown that away.
Putting up some amped cover.
How many do you see? 2? Only? You only see 2 or 3?
Full team. I
Oh,
cannot
shit.
pick now. I cannot pick now.
Cracked an enemy shield. Reload.
Ooh.
Fire frag. Shooting
That'd be
frag.
good.
Hurling arc star.
Tossing a frag. Get the shot at.
Oh my god. I cannot see.
There's its head glitching the stairs, man. That's weird. We got another team near us.
Back up.
Stinger coming in.
Cracked an enemy
This guy is fighting with the different team too. Actually, he's crazy.
Yeah,
Just shooting at me.
little bit.
GB ult.
Yeah, I have my ult.
I'm cover for you, mates.
Is he on top still?
No,
1 minute.
she just run away.
No.
Let's go.
Go jump.
Batty, batty.
He's very low.
He's still in here, dude. He's still in here.
Focus here, man. Focus here.
I take that back.
Closing at 45.
There's another guy over there, dude. That's
No,
a bad
I
spot.
told you. I told you that they have.
I'm
Fuck
cover
it, man.
for that.
Go back, go back, go back. Let's go back.
Recharging my
It's a
shield.
bad spot, yeah.
Yeah, give me a sandwich.
One more squad, guys. Reload.
Rings close. Got 30 seconds. Let's turn it up, mates.
Let them fight each other. Make it easier.
Arcstar going long.
Heads up, mates. Another squad coming in.
You good?
I'm not.
1 sec. Using my Phoenix kit.
Might be
Yeah, pushing.
There's one. 10 seconds.
Got
Rings
one?
close. We got this.
Damn, that PK. Revived me. Up to 2. One left, one
He's
left.
resin.
Full mix.
Another team already just pulled up.
Leave. Fuck it, man. I couldn't fight. I didn't know what's going on.
It took too long.
There are so many changes, do you see?
Huh?
There are so many changes in Apex.
You want me to host? I'm on EU as well. See how that goes.
Okay.
Let me leave real quick and make sure. EU Central 84 milliseconds. Let's see. Invite. You get the invite?
I didn't get your invite.
I sent it.
Try again.
It won't let me. There it goes. Okay.
Oh yes.
Watch you be teleporting. It is EU now.
I don't know. I mean, the teleporting thing is typical for Apex. Always happens.
It seems like whenever I have someone else, I lag a lot more. And that's why I got the Xbox to avoid that more.
I think it's
Is it
still
like
the
a-
same. I mean,
yeah.
you cannot avoid this changing your platform. It's still Apex servers.
But at least this is its own self instead of having to rely on like a graphics card and all that, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry. The sun will rise on all
Capped
of
at
us.
like 120 frames.
I'm good at what I do. Believe me.
Okay, let's try GB and see how it goes. GB is pretty good now. You know, when you drop your bubble, enemies when they enter, they get the effect of a fence. You know, a Watson fence.
This is your champion.
Imagine they are pushing you. Once they enter to your bubble, they are being stunned.
Ah,
Gibraltar's the jump master. You're in good hands, fam.
Sparrow's a really good character if you know how to play him. Good.
Let's land here.
He's one of the most OP characters I've seen in a long time. Unless you're a really cracked out Octane. I'm not cracked anymore, I'm okay, but...
We got this.
Extra supplies here. Gotta love that.
Oh, now my weapon's in hand. Just like me.
I feel like my game is not lagging, but I feel like it's what's called stuttering.
Delayed.
Stuttering. Yeah, I feel like my game is
Mine-
stuttering. Not lagging, but stuttering.
not one of us. A champion fell. I'm a boot, whoever did that.
So I'm about to carry you.
Are you good now? I mean, are you lagging?
No, very, very little.
I think I know why this happens. But now I was playing with a friend who also switched to console. It happens. Lagging. The game lags more when console joins to a PC lobby. It brings down the FPS or something. I remember he mentioned something like this before.
Got arc star here.
Now my weapon's enhanced. Just like me.
Shield battery here.
If
I know.
I
I
do.
need optics for LMG.
Who's our teammate?
Is he AFK?
No, he's low. Yeah, key. Yeah.
Hmm.
Paul, open for business, bro. I leveled up. Better get it. Laser sight here. Level 3.
Extended light mag here. Level 3.
Extended light mag here. Level 1.
Double small mats for players in Dome. What is this? EMP for first enemy info. EMP for first enemy info Dome. Double small mats. I think the first one is better, no? What is double small mats for play? Ah. Okay, so you heal faster in my Dome. Or I EMP first enemy into Dome.
Care package on its way.
I think EMP, man.
Supporters upgraded and feeling fine.
Enemy.
Probably.
Found extra supplies here. Arm up.
How
Where
many
was he?
are they? They are two. They are two.
Enemy spot. Hostile over there.
They're going from the left, behind.
Hostile right here.
They're fighting someone else.
Yeah, let's pick this fight. Maybe we can steal some kills.
On guard. Watching this spot.
I'll go too. Someone's gotta have your back.
They might run towards us.
New kill leader. Heads up.
Ah, she run away. But there's still one more team.
Yeah, I don't see them yet.
Valkyrie fly away, but
Lovely.
her teammates are still here.
Oh,
Recharge
Damn.
your shield.
Move here. Grenade. Look out.
Ah, go back.
yeah. Through my ulti, yeah.
Go back.
Taking fire, brothers.
Yeah, they have angles.
Got me.
Good.
Signaling an airstrike.
Keep
Keeping my
running.
shields are recharged.
Running.
Ah, oh my goodness.
They just head glitching it.
You good, brothers?
Wow.
I've been downed.
Yeah,
That
they
was
don't-
weird, man. That was
Feel-
weird. Run, Jetly. They are all coming to you.
Yeah, Octanes on my ass.
You go fast. Go fast. Don't stop.
Taking shots here.
Sorry, man. I don't know. I didn't see that fucking guy on the arsenal getting his weapon, man. Oh, so weird.
You want me to go on my laptop instead?
As you wish. I mean, I don't mind.
What do you want
Problem
us
is,
to get?
I didn't
Make it
see
easier.
anything. And I just saw someone shoot him in my ass, and with no footstep, with anything. So weird.
You care about your rank much or no?
Just trying to play some ranked. I don't care.
Okay.
Of course, I don't want to go to silver or bronze. All good. The problem is
That's
that
how they get.
I die without being able to do something. That's the problem.
Mhm.
I can't fight.
They had some really good angles in there.
Live today,
Yeah.
die tomorrow.
Um,
Better than the other way around.
Maybe.
Ya sabían, a ver dónde dejas la otra vez. ¿Eh? ¿En algún lugar? ¿No te acuerdas, señor? Visa, igual quedó en China o debajo de la... Yo no. Lo si escondo, digo Sara, no hay más tablet. Pero no te dije nada de eso. Oh,
Yeah, all we need is a decent. All we need is a decent teammate, mostly.
I'm jump
That'd be
master.
a lot easier.
All right, if you. All right, mates, we can try here or die somewhere else. No pressure. Here we go, mates. Let's get.
Nobody
messy.
comes? Let's go!
What the?
Backpack here. Level 2. Backpack here. Level 3.
I need it.
Roxanne,
You like
you
how I
don't
owned that
have
kid that came
to
through?
all the red line. What?
You like how I owned the thing when he came through?
I don't know what you say, man. Your market is breaking.
You
Say
liked
again?
how you owned Octane when he came through?
Octane.
Yeah, last match he came through the.
No, it wasn't
Oh.
Octane, man. It was Pathfinder.
It looked like an Octane.
Yeah, because I think it was Pathfinder because I didn't see him,
First blood.
but he grappled
Game's
and
really starting.
flew over me.
So far.
I don't think it was Octane. It was Pathfinder.
There's an amp here.
You know when you
Overflow.
grapple, you land on someone. You know? I
Yeah,
felt
but
like
the guy, no, the guy I downed at the end.
Rings closing in
I
45.
don't know.
It's close. We can
That
go
came
now.
through, yeah.
I didn't see that guy. I
I'm
just
bumped.
died to
Ah.
someone else who was like Pathfinder. I don't know. I didn't see who killed
I
you.
have an extended sniper mag here. It's gold.
Yeah, the guy came through the altar,
Level 2.
and I 1v1'd him with like 50% HP, and he just went instant down.
Sniper stuck here. Level 2.
Dude, like,
Yeah, it's lagging, man. I mean, it's server, I guess.
The ring is near, but it closes.
In this,
An amp here.
you know what is this,
Overflow
Jetly?
the amp.
Yeah, but you know how it works?
Yes,
Backpack here. Level 3.
You pop
I have a
a
different thing.
syringe and it fully heals you slowly, and a cell fully heals you as well.
I need optics for an assault rifle.
I think I saw a 2-4 optic.
Oh, now my weapon's in hand. Just like me.
Just like me.
Nothing does me better than an LMG.
Let me see. Let me see.
Yeah.
Attention. Care package.
Sniper optics here. Mid range.
On its way.
Oh, I need that.
You don't
Damn it,
have
dude.
to hit all the red line.
Care package over there. Care package over there.
I don't know what he pinged this. Let's see.
Thank you. All right, I think we can go. I'm gonna scan the zone.
Thank you.
No
Found
worries.
extra supply.
You
Let's
just owe
fly.
me one.
I'm gonna scan the zone.
Mm.
Roxanne, you don't have to third party all the time. Those octanes are sweaty.
Right. Got a fix on the next rig.
Okay.
Hey, mates. Let's go. Deal.
Okay.
Where is my evac tower, mother?
There is a new kill leader.
Hmm?
Normally it drops a evac tower when you scan or
Back tower for us.
Got a jump tower over there.
those days are over.
Someone else shooting at you?
What?
It looked like someone else was shooting at you, you know?
It was you.
No, I shot one. It looked like 5 bullets just going
Light
there.
ammo here.
What the fuck?
People have been through here.
This game.
Got a troller.
No, it looked like bullets were flying at you.
Well, maybe they are fighting and
No, it was on our way here. Like they were underneath you shooting you, and I'm like, what the hell?
I'm gonna try to land here on the high ground.
We can go
We can
over
fight
there.
with them. They are still
Just
fighting.
If I'm wrong, you can kill me.
Let's go this
We are
way.
still white armor.
Let's regroup there.
Enemy over there. Just waiting.
Copy that.
Enemy OT. Putting up some amped cover. Enemies shooting.
No, 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 no.
There's a full
Hang
max.
out there. Thermite coming down.
Tossing a frag. Frag out.
Recharging my shields.
Let's get these kids in here real fast.
Get the high ground, get the high ground. There are several teams. Don't know where are they. I'm going here.
Let's go here, mates. Putting up some amped cover. Got a bad one over there.
Their head glitching. These
One
kids,
shot,
man.
man.
Reloading.
Enemy's shield.
Why did I open the door? They are running away.
Enemy OT. Opponent there. Attacked by another squad.
Careful, 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 careful.
Getting shot at. Tossing up some amped cover. Recharging my shield. Enemy's shield broke.
You like that, huh?
Yeah,
Look, check this.
Enemy spotted.
Void running.
Come back, come back, come back. There's one more team.
Hmm? Hmm. Oh, couldn't.
Where did they go?
They're just hiding.
No, no, they opened. Careful, they have a
Putting up some amped cover.
sniper. I don't know where are they.
Squads around.
Here,
Enemy
here.
here.
Right there? Boom.
Deploying jammers. Recharging my shield.
This guy's solo here.
One.
Let's push this kid.
Push, 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 push. One over there.
Broken.
He already ran around the corner. On me.
Amped cover for you, mates.
Motherfucker. I need help. Come here.
Charge
Yeah,
over
under
here.
me, under me, under me.
Batty.
He's in this building.
Amped cover for you, mates.
On the roof. Oh. Another
Under
kid
me, under
coming
me.
somewhere. Yeah, one's under you and one's just running around in circles here.
I downed an enemy. Reload in 1 minute. Void running.
Down one, down one, down.
Need to recharge
You down?
my shields.
Where's the other one? On the roof, on the roof, on the roof.
Ring's not too far. 45 left. I killed an opponent. Enemy taken out. Reloading.
She's on the roof.
Yeah, Pathfinder is on the roof.
Getting shot at.
I got him. No! In here. On my door.
We're
I
close to
can't
the
go
ring.
up.
30 seconds left. Need to recharge
Come here.
my shields.
Are you good? Open at him.
Good job, boys.
Wait, assholes. Why is everyone camping in the lower lobbies? I don't like that.
10 seconds. Rings close. We got this.
Solid play.
Sentinel here.
Free loot.
Death box here.
Ooh, a sniper.
Tilted by the ring if you don't move.
Ooh. I'll take that.
Someone.
Well,
Where?
Bro, how'd you see me? Oh, they're gonna
Oh my
push hard,
God.
dude.
I have to go.
Delivering care package.
Can you come to me? Move, 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 move.
Check out this way.
Setting a portal.
Shit. Run for your life, man.
Portal's ready.
Amped cover for you, mates. Enemy's shield broke.
Down, 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 down.
Mother.
Enemy taken down.
You're really gonna play in the ring like this?
Guys, they are very low.
Okay.
Tossing Oxstar.
They killed him fast.
GG.
Next ring sounds very close. I'm deploying that tower for us. Replicator coming
Ouch, I
down.
almost died.
Hold on. Enemy fence here.
He has no ammo for me, really.
What ammo? We leave it, gently.
Pretty close.
Yeah, I see.
Here.
Energy ammo here.
Let's go
OT,
this way.
let's go.
No, no, you don't have to go there. Go to right side, here.
That way.
45 seconds until ring close, mga kapatid.
No one there, right? Yeah.
Car coming.
Oh, he's right there. Oh shit.
Putting up some amped cover. Healing.
Doping, doping.
Spotted. Getting shot. Enemy's shield.
You down him? 70 on that kid's low. Down, right?
Enemy taken down. Giving my shields a recharge.
Great. What are you doing, bro? Without one here.
Enemy spotted.
I thought you were gonna portal there.
I took space, man. I took
Okay,
space.
okay, 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 no problem. Go to left side, gently.
There, got a care package coming in. Amped cover for you, mates. By another squad. Reloading. Giving my shields a recharge.
Leave me alone, motherfuckers.
Enemy shield broken.
Motherfucker.
One hit.
Damaged one.
Taking shots here. Recharging my shields. What's that?
Firing. Enemy's shield broke.
Enemy shield broken. Reloading. Let's go here.
Enemy's shield broke.
One of these guys have a braid or Bangalore has Kraber. Careful.
Getting shot at.
Broke their shield.
That one,
Charging my
come here.
shields. Rings close. Got a minute to hit it.
Damn it.
Downed an enemy.
Come. I'm gonna ult them.
Putting up some
Got
amped
two.
cover.
They killed him fast, dude. The circle's coming.
I don't know where are they.
Squads left. Like
Void jumping.
What the? Stupid game.
backing up my cover. Rings close. Got
Where?
30 seconds. Let's turn it up, mates.
Io no, di che acaba de decir no. No se acuerda, seguramente fue a algún lugar. No se acuerda.
They didn't die all the way over.
What happened? Where are they?
No, one died already. Wasn't there?
What? Where is the team?
Healing.
It has to be full team.
I only saw two in there, so if you
Take
killed,
portal, take portal.
you saw two boxes. I don't know.
We're outside the ring.
It's annoying, man.
This is way, mates.
Where are they?
I want to kill this guy on the left.
Enemy spotted.
On top of the house.
This guy on the left is very annoying.
Firing. Reloading.
Our teammate's
Oh
so
my
far
god!
from us.
What? This is gonna take time.
Oh shit!
Charge my shield.
Go back, go back, go back, go back.
Well.
Come back.
Damn.
What the fuck? They pushed me.
Are you sure? Are you sure? No?
Down a squad mate.
Go far from my body.
I'm one shot. He's on there. Oh.
Sorry,
GG,
man.
GG.
The lifting
GG.
took us.
Yeah.
That was so
Don't worry
stupid.
about it. GG.
Flatlands got your back.
It was fun. I mean, in the end it was bad, but I'll be back 1 second.
Alright, me too.
Making contact with enemy. Get over there.
Roxanne, you don't have to put all the red line. Let's go. At least we didn't lose points. Those days are over. How, Jet Li? Hello, my friends. Good morning.
Today brings.
Oi, Bam, are you watching? This one's for you. But only if I win.
You back?
Right.
I'm back.
Time
And
to turn
you?
crap
Are
into
you back
gold.
or not?
Yeah, teammate was like far away from us quite a bit.
No, we were far away because we took the lift and we went to end of the map and came back.
Yeah. No, but in the beginning, he was going to the portal the wrong way,
All right, mates.
away from us when we were
Try
trying to
here,
shoot
or
those
die
guys on the
somewhere else.
right.
No pressure.
He's always away.
This looks like a good
Yeah,
place
I
for a
mean, we
funeral.
could.
Here we go. Hang tight.
But what's the point of using your character if we're not going to try and stay
I
together?
mean, we
you know?
knocked people and he was portaling us to the left side, not to the side where we knocked someone. That part was
Ice QB.
a bit questionable. Like I was saying, what are you doing, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He's like more away. He should have been.
I
But,
have golden-
I pushed up to that building and had to solo 2 people. After I
think
cracked
they were
one,
full
I
team.
pushed. Yeah. No, I saw 2 inside only. Maybe there was a full team originally, but I only saw 2.
Standard stock here. Level 3.
But literally, as soon as I cracked them, I pushed up and then was able to down.
Yeah, he was good.
My weapons in hand. Take the upgrade where you can. Attention.
Especially when we're not. Oh shit. That you?
Already
Good?
inside the next room. You're strategizing.
Destroyer, I'm destroyer.
This way sound
Huh?
I'm destroyer of the windows.
good? Got an amp here. Power booster.
Ah.
I'll drop this thing. Maybe you will need. Come. You like that?
Extended heavy mag here. Level 2.
All right, brothers. We got extra supplies here.
Oh, people coming.
Look at that plonker over there. No idea that about
Coming?
to die.
Yeah, right there.
Yo, mates, got one there.
Give me a second. I gotta grab another 301.
Okay.
Mother. Alright. Put that there. Alright.
Someone has been here. Was it you?
No, not near you.
In the middle?
Yeah, right there. Right here
That
where
was me,
I
that
am.
Ping it.
Yeah, that's
Ping it.
They were here.
Look at that Blanco.
I don't know if they took the high ground.
They're about to die.
I'm on
Hee.
top.
Enemy over
Wait.
there. Just waiting to be stepped on.
Oh, you can don't miss. Holy cow.
Got you amped like a champ.
They're coming behind you. Behind you.
Shield. Don't worry about me.
I feel it.
Oh, shot.
Battery's not helping.
Fast. Oh, can I come rest?
Yeah.
Push
GB
one.
is far away. GB is far away. If you
Yeah, I
res
know.
me,
Is it just
Check out
Gibby?
this way.
No worries, brother. I got you.
Charging
just
my
give
shield.
I'm staying right here.
Brother, I got you.
Putting up some amped cover. Coming in, or the sky's just happy to
Oh.
see you.
Oh, shit.
ping.
Oh, Gibby's low again. I fucking hate it.
Oh man,
This one.
Got him. Got him.
Just try to rest.
I took the
Side-
space runner again.
Try to shield. Oh no.
No!
That's very good.
I should just use the 1v1.
What did you say?
Actually, that's the part about me that gets me killed is I'm not greedy all the time anymore. So I tried to pick up Gibby and then I paid the price.
GB, what
I
do you
didn't
mean?
Gibby was down and he was right next to me, so I tried to pick him up in his dome.
All good, man. I mean, I was trying to hold the house and then wasn't enter the house where I am with my cover in my hand. And I still managed to break your shield,
Believe me.
but then I got knocked. Whenever you see there are two knocks, I mean, you are the one who's alive, try to escape maybe and then try to rest maybe. Because
No, but I was
you
trying
will be
to
fast.
res him in the dome and I didn't think he'd be able to jump in that fast. If it was another like 1 second or 2 seconds, we would have been okay. Because at least he would have tried to shoot Gibby maybe more.
All right, mates.
And I
we
could
can
take
try
some
here,
free
or die
shots.
somewhere else. No pressure.
Is what it
The
is.
games begin. Oh, I can't wait.
Ring the party.
Because I don't have a character that can escape fast. So it's a lot harder.
You are pretty fast, huh? If you look at
Huh?
the, you are fast. If you check, if you while you're running away, try to head up to this
Zip line right here, mates.
respawn. No, yeah, respawn points. If you check, if you look at them, you're gonna run towards them faster.
Nicking my design and
No, I know
calling
that,
it the
but
nemesis.
when you're down,
Bloody
when I was trying to run away from a 1v1,
brilliant.
I probably wouldn't escape that easily.
Yeah,
Especially with the latency issue.
Enhanced. Ah, now
I
that's
understand.
It's bothering me, yeah. It's what it is.
it is what it is.
First blood.
I wanna stop gaming, man. I'm gonna start singing.
Hey, Gibby, you got a mic?
next ring's far.
That's
no
the
lagging.
same
Gibby,
guy.
you get.
The same guy.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, he used to have mic. Maybe he's angry with us and no longer wants to
Extended
speak.
light mag here. Level 3.
If I go with this,
Yes.
Ultimate accelerant here. Charge boost to your best ability.
Backpack here.
Ring
Level
is
2.
far and closer than 45 seconds. Let's move.
come on, boys, let's do this time better.
Yes.
Extended light mag here. Level 2.
Roxanne, you don't have to
Extended light
put
mag here.
on the
Level
red
3.
line. I don't like, man. Let's go.
Barrel stabilizer here. Level 2. Reduces recoil.
Excuse me.
Mates, I need a standard stock.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I'm not putting my controller down just to cover my mouth, okay? Because I might get shot in the head.
We'll be toasted by the
I ain't taking that chance. But you.
That's okay, bro. Push them.
Attack here. You can do it. Actually, just pretend you're
Let's
me.
stick together, bro.
Or Sheila.
This time.
Give me. Oh, he's speaking. I can't hear him though.
Enhance this weapon.
Hot
It's
damn.
looking
My
bad to the
ultimate's ready.
bone.
There's one, mates.
They got the high ground already. Wait, they're fighting. They're gonna get on the right.
Tossing up some amped cover.
Come on, follow me. We got this.
Care
Easy.
package coming down. Helpful if you need gear or a top up. Aye,
Tossing Oxstar.
Never
Oxstar
mind.
out.
Laying down jammers.
No one. They went inside already. Already jumped down.
Putting up some amped cover.
What? What is this? Single shot. Oh, I have a gold hammer. No. What? God.
Charging my shields.
I would have killed that kid real fast.
Reloading.
Help the head glitch. Okay.
Someone's been there.
Two on me. Two on me. Oh, mother.
Oh no.
Oh, another kid to the left
What the
somewhere.
fuck?
Run. Yeah. They just
Amped cover's
hide.
getting packed up. Amped cover for you, mates.
Oh,
Rip.
I didn't see anyone, man. All I saw was you'd go down while I see nobody.
Very close.
They were all covered.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did 55, 48, 64, 20.
Shield battery
I guess they
here.
were all together and then they just split.
Shield battery here.
I don't like pushing people without doing damage. At least do some damage and then push, because otherwise you're pushing like to
Well, I
get.
thought it was one guy behind the. Yeah, I thought it was one guy
I
behind
told
the
you
post,
they have
that-
head glitch. I was trying to inform you.
Yeah.
Here.
Until I came inside to shoot people, you got down. I mean, I had nothing to do. You left lobby?
Yeah. No? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. We both did, I think.
I did now. Oh, he's in our lobby. In our lobby. What the heck? You invited him to play?
Huh?
Did you invite him to play? I didn't know he was in our lobby. Who is this guy?
No,
Is your friend?
because when he queues up together, I think it automatically puts him in the party.
I didn't
But
know
after we,
that.
yeah, I think it's new. Well, I guess he's in that game. Well, I'll just leave. I sent him a friend request. It's okay. I'll follow you this time.
You know what? Let's play some pops, man. Do you like playing? Yeah, let's play pops.
Wildcard, wildcard. You don't like wildcard?
Wildcard is a bit chaotic. I mean, it's the same. Just respawn, and every time you respawn and you die, it counts like a one match loss. So I don't like that. It
okay.
affects your KD, and I don't like
Well,
that.
you get a lot of kills though.
Yeah, but if you kill 4 but die 10, then you will have 0.5 KD every match.
That's what my KD is, 0.5 from hot dropping in Skull Town. with
Exactly.
you guys.
That's what I don't like.
Yeah. Well, everyone's worse than me, I guess, in this lobby.
It's
Not
okay.
really.
I mean, playing pops is really fun. You have nothing to lose. If you lose, you die, and Start a new match. What's wrong with that? Nothing. Play, push, die, kill. All good. Oh, you called me? I didn't see your call, man. On Discord. You called me after
No.
you typed to me.
No.
Yes, you did.
Look,
You said,
look on your
"Playing
front.
Apex?"
Look on your front door. Look on your front door. I put a sticky note there. Yeah, I drew a heart on a sticky note and put it on your door.
Playing Apex,
No,
Lol.
in reality.
and then you missed a call from Jedley that last a few seconds. You have called me.
Yeah, I know I did.
Don't
Yeah.
call me, man. My girlfriend is being angry.
Safety is my first priority. My second is
You have a girlfriend now?
I'm just kidding, man.
televised.
You still watching? You still have your daughter?
Yeah, of course.
Wow, right. Wow, it's good.
I am a
I still got my
responsible
3
father.
dogs.
Champion.
Huh?
I make things by hand.
I still have my 3 dogs. So.
You have 3 dogs?
You didn't know that?
How do you carry them, man? 3 dogs? It's too many. Really?
I'm jump
Soon to be
master.
4.
Here we go, mates.
I've cared for 15 before in my lifetime.
Probably you were living in a big house where you had a stable or something, no?
Yeah,
It's
I'm a
normal
personal
to have.
assistant.
Use your eyes. Enemy
No.
rifle side. Putting up some amped cover.
I forgot this is in wild card.
Yeah, you have one chance here.
Putting up some amped cover.
Bro. I'll be in the tunnel if you need me.
Frag out.
I almost died.
Now what?
Taking some damage.
Ooh, I got fucked up.
I'm down.
We're doing a 1v2 now. My guess.
Enemy.
Jetty, where the fuck are you? I need
The
you to
dude
help me.
swamping on me.
Okay, don't come. Don't come. Don't wait.
They're already on me, dude.
I have to mute this guy. He's so loud.
Ring closes in a minute, but we're
Yeah, I don't hear him.
Motherfucker. How did you find me?
Wasn't that illuminating?
Attention. Evo.
You can craft us.
Ring is near and closes in 45. Should have 8 left foot on.
Let me see where,
Where?
there's yeah, left. Go left. I mean, go straight. Go straight. Go straight.
Replicator there.
Go straight.
You
No,
need
no,
it?
no.
It's got it.
Turn to yeah. No, turn back.
30 seconds.
Now go
till ring.
straight.
Tick,
Left,
tick.
left. No. Go back. Go back. Yes. Now to the right side. Right side. Yes.
Okay, left already. You should just
10
said
seconds to
lava
get
or
to the next
something.
ring. I'm close.
Or dome.
Don't you have heals?
Yep,
Only half the squads are left. Not
but
used
no
to
one's
this.
over here anyways.
Someone has been here.
Like, you should have saw it in ranked.
Teammates
So
better.
2 of us are down, right? And our teammate, he was going around in a car, and as soon as he got to the replicator after like 5 minutes, he crafted a battery in accident. And he didn't wait for our teammate to die or fully. He had only like 1 millisecond left.
Package coming in.
Wow.
Yeah.
And he still crafted the battery in gold. He probably was so sad. But he did get me up after our teammate left. It's
Yeah.
fun, though.
Whew, thanks for the wake-up call, mate. Good to get a nap in.
recharging my shield. Don't worry about me.
Hold your butts. Drafting.
What the? I think I heard footsteps.
Me? I'm near you.
No, not you. Oh, you came to me? Okay, let's go get our revenge.
revenge.
Let's go for the revenge.
My weapon's enhanced. Take the upgrade where you can.
Enhance the weapon. Not bad work for the field kit.
There's only 5 squads left already.
Hmm.
Damn. 4, sorry. Everyone must have been in this fight
Enemy OT.
quite a bit.
Could have something good here.
Reload. We have white armor, man. That sucks.
Using a Phoenix kit. Send an E.
Send
If
them
I use
in.
a Phoenix, it will heal the shield.
Of course.
Let's see.
That is
How much
the
it
key.
heals
Zipline
the
right here,
shield.
mates.
Nope. I just wasted a Phoenix kit.
Man, you have white armor.
I don't know. I'm not used to this new stuff. I rarely played.
Ah, they're here.
Hey, mates. One in the distance. Doesn't look too scary, so you can come out of hiding.
Roxanne, you don't
It used to
have-
be. Like, I thought it used to be if you pick up a higher shield, you could heal it fast.
Yes. What the fuck is this guy doing?
Giving my shields a recharge.
Yeah, he did. Maybe. Oh, I'm dead.
Fuck, man.
Enemy down.
I killed one. Die, bitch.
Why is everyone just hiding like this? I don't understand
I
that.
died so fast, man. Before I even landed, I think it was Horizon. He destroyed my shield.
Yeah, they were just waiting. Somehow they pinpointed us. They pinpointed off the balloon somehow, which is really weird.
Enemy here.
They don't even. Oh, they do have a pathfinder, but there's no beacon nearby.
Hello, my friends. Hello, good morning.
One more. I wasn't always a wolf. I had to make these claws.
And this.
Here's hoping neither
This
of us
music
get
is
the hiccups
nice.
during this bonanza.
How was the experience with Overwatch? Have you continued playing or did you?
I fell
continue
asleep.
playing? Huh? Really?
Yeah.
On your chair or
Introducing your champion.
Huh?
on your chair or you went to the bed? I think you were sleeping while you're playing the game because you were AFK all the time.
That was exciting.
I was really drunk.
I hate
A
to see
little
you
bit.
so upset, but I'm just so bloody happy.
Come on, Sushi, wake up, man!
Oh, I can't wait.
I napped at least, as you can tell. I'm not cracking jokes left and right.
I'll land here.
Headed over there.
I'm landing right there.
Not a good idea for me.
Use your eyes. Enemy landed close by.
Taking shots here.
Eat shit, kid.
Love me an LMG.
Good, you good?
Mm-hmm. Even though he burned my ammo, but yeah.
Gotcha.
Enemy down. I'm cover for you, mates.
Yeah.
An enemy's shield.
Snipe too? You
We were
kidding?
fighting with different teams, man. Sorry.
Let's go over there.
The hell shot me from far?
Let's see where it takes me.
I should have come to you, my guys.
Man,
I sold you.
Attention, the champion has been eliminated.
You did good damage, huh?
Huh?
You did
Yeah.
good damage compared to Octane.
Yeah, because they had an All-Star and a Volt. Yeah, like energy weapon. Energy weapons are so OP up close.
Hmm. I also had good weapons, but it was full team. Which I was fighting against. I killed one. I knocked one more, and then Octane pushed me, and he cut me with the wheel, man. Ba-dum bum, ba-dum bum. What do you drink normally? Beer or something else?
Whiskey usually. Tonight I'm doing wine, but it's giving me a headache later.
You know, if
So I have to
you
drink a
don't
lot of
mind
water.
this
I once
How's
drunk
that
a
for
lot
bit of encouragement?
because it was fiesta. A meeting with the work friends, and I drank a lot because it was tonic. It was delicious, man. And I kept drinking. When I came home, I was like, oh my god, who's this guy?
Good dog.
I
This is
drank a
your
lot,
champion.
and I think it took 2 weeks for me to recover. Because I was,
Oh damn.
yeah, because my stomach was rejecting everything I eat. You know?
Let's touch
I'm not at the screen.
Let's land here. Headed over there. Wait a second. Nah, nahi.
Come on,
Give me about 10 seconds.
sushi.
I'm not there. I'm not there.
Okay.
Hey, Cock.
This is a
Come
good
on.
LZ.
Bed.
Ay, ¿de dónde estás?
Hey, Cock. Bed. Come on. Hey, Cock. Come.
Move your
Come on.
ass.
Good boy. He's older now. Sorry.
No good, no good. I'll stop following you.
No worries.
Whenever you come,
There, mates.
land here.
Let the games begin.
This is solo guy.
Oh, I can't wait.
He's also landing here. Actually, it's
Watch
full
out.
team.
That bloke just about landed on top of me.
Never mind.
Last year player too.
Love me an LMG.
Enemy landed near me. Don't worry about
Really
recon.
good.
We're in the next room.
Enemy ship. I'm out of sniper ammo. Some blonkers shooting at me. Took down an enemy. Tossing up some amps cover.
Enemy shield broken. I killed an opponent.
Throwing an arcster.
He's running.
Eyes up.
Rifle right here.
You got him. What's my last?
Harvesters are
6 bullets left.
Last member of that
Bro,
team.
someone's here.
Sorry.
Hold on, I need ammo.
Aye, another squad is here.
Oh,
To the
come
right.
on.
Back up. I don't have ammo.
Ambush through
I'm
the
out of sniper ammo.
Giving him the chimney. Using a Phoenix kit. Reloading.
He
I
sucks.
got
He
20
sucks. He
bullets now.
sucks. Back up. I have no ammo.
I'm out of
Wait,
sniper
where are you?
ammo. I'm
Next to
low
you.
on ammo? Gotta fix that.
Another guy to my right behind me somewhere else, so different team maybe. Got energy?
Smoke out. Spotted.
Take a job, Tom.
Yeah.
love me an LMG.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
We're already inside the next race. Good strategizing.
Yeah.
Energy ammo here.
Thank you.
Hear more inside.
Let's see.
How do you see, man?
Alvin.
Incoming.
Cause I just peeked.
Third party. They're trying to corner us. Tracked an enemy up in the chimney.
I pulled through.
Should we go to the
My
room?
angle is.
Hey, let's check out over there, mates.
We're coming, Casper.
Package coming down. Helpful if you need gear or a top up.
Oh yeah. Ultimate's ready.
Let's go for help to this Casper.
Enemy shield. Down to target.
He's having fun over there.
A broken enemy shield.
He's
Maybe died
cooking.
more.
He's cooking.
Last one.
Pounced. Ah, now
He's
that's
far
a
as hell.
beat.
Reloading.
He has smokes. He's good.
Giving him the chimney. Give my shield a recharge.
Watch, I come help, I get insta beamed. That's how this works.
Oh, now my weapon's enhanced. Just like me. Giving him the chimney.
Where are they, kid? Well, I hear you.
Putting left down range. Spotted. Double timing it. Reloading. Arc star out.
Broke their shield. I get shot there.
Oh, there's two here. Mother.
Another squad is incoming. I broke an enemy shield. Pass the squad.
Our teammate's B-hop and he's really good. I guess.
My shields are recharged. Gotta watch each other's backs. Smoke out. Old Painless is knocking at the door.
Watch it. Airstrike.
Careful, team here.
Recharge.
Enemy's shield broke. Backing up my cover. To push here. Enemy down.
Maybe just B-hopping everywhere.
Here's the flanker.
Good job.
Don't sweat it. I
Got
saved
you,
the
buddy.
day. Got that banner.
Smoke out.
Thank you.
Beacon deployed.
Give my shields a recharge.
Cover's getting packed up.
Putting light down range.
Amped cover for you, mates.
In the mid, up top, and down low.
Enemy spotted.
Oscar Mike. I'm spotted.
Amped cover for you, mates.
Oh, shit on me. Oh, mother.
Oxstar out.
Oh, you put a thing there. Ah.
They got me. I'm down.
Putting up some amped cover.
Oh, I didn't see anything, man. I didn't see anything because of the smoke. Of course, Jet Li. I'm Rampart. You always have to play behind my cover, not front side. What do you expect? I'll be back one moment.
I go smoke. Can you hear me?
stomach rumbling, or have I just unleashed the beast?
Hey, we both woke up today. Not a bad start.
Time to cut the
Good morning, guys. How do you say walking stick when someone is old? They usually hold something to walk better, to to balance their movement.
Alright, if
How
you
do you call
insist.
that thing? It's baston or it's something else? What is called?
Here we go, mates.
Jet
Let's
lag.
get Bring the
Sushi.
party.
What is the thing that you hold when you're old person with your hand?
Pain?
It's a stick,
Cane?
like Gandalf.
Long
Yeah,
handed
cane.
doors. Think they want to have a go?
Oh shit.
Enemy by me.
Right here.
Broke their shield.
One shot.
Getting shot at. Hey, bring down.
2v2, 2v2.
Enemy's shield.
Oh my god. Who's this guy?
Enemy close.
Help him. Right here.
Took an enemy down. Enemy nearby. An electrical engineer. No.
Giving my shields
You
a
gotta push him,
recharge.
bro.
I have to heal.
Before he revives.
That's right.
Reviving.
Enemy reviving here. I'm taking damage.
I'm blocking the door. I'm blocking the door. There's two in there now.
Get my cover out of here. Right. That was the last one in the squad.
Oh man.
We got a bit of a trek, mates. 45 seconds until the ring closes.
Recharging my shield. Don't worry about me.
Bet you that's the last time they revived near a door. Without finishing someone.
Upgraded and ready to take them for a test
I
run.
need to change my weapon, man. I don't like
Spotted
problem.
an enemy. There.
There's a party. Oh shit, there's a Valkyrie too.
Healing my wounds. I've spotted an enemy. They're far. Ring's right there. 10 seconds. Watch out. Competitor is close.
Huh. Your mates got one there. Ring is open. We're all outside. Let's not hide this way.
Enemy shield broken.
Damn that Valkyrie.
Recharging my shield. I broke an enemy shield. Go there.
I'm
Make
covered
us
for you,
get
mates.
fast, bro. Good.
Enemy taken down.
Coming up.
Right. Get my cover out of here.
Bro, shoot the kid. Oh my god, Watson. You saw me looking at the box. God dang it. I'm a grenade, of course. Behind us.
Are you
Enemy down.
On the stairs, on the stairs. Oh, there's wait outside too.
Got another enemy down.
Watson's just staying near the fortified thing.
Squad coming in.
You're alone out there, dude. Two on top of us. on top of my building. Let me know if you break one.
Hello, brother. Welcome. I'm a bit nervous now.
Half the squad
Nice.
left. Better
How are you,
put on your
brother?
dance
How's
shoes.
it going?
We're headed to a few.
Welcome. And we are doing good. Oh, it was a good match, huh?
Charging my shield.
We destroyed them all. Woo-hoo-hoo.
And stuff is getting packed up.
Okay, I dropped some batteries here. I don't
Shield
need.
battery here.
Ready now. Guys, you were crazy, huh? Holy shit, you destroyed them all.
Enhanced. Now that's a beaut.
I fear the enemy has uninstalled the game. People
One
then.
in the distance. Doesn't look too scary, so you can come out of hiding.
Why'd you shoot already?
Putting up. There's an enemy.
Behind! Oh my god, I got sandwich. That I need you.
Barrier here.
Here come the jammers.
Bro,
Let me help you.
I'm dead. I'm out. There's no way.
Putting up some arms cover.
They're looking for me. No!
Tossing ox
I decoyed the team behind me. A whole nother costume too. Aren't they shooting each other?
Because they're
That's
the
the
same
weird thing.
team. They're the same team. One guy was behind us, two guys were in front of us. That's the problem.
No, it's a different team. No, it's a different team.
Was
Yeah,
Lifeline
look,
behind
they're
us.
fighting someone.
Yes.
No, there's a team up the ramp and a team behind you guys. You were fighting a team, that's why you put the fence up.
You remember when I got knocked? You remember I got knocked?
Yeah,
The game is
but there's a
really
whole other
loud
team.
as well.
There's a whole
Okay.
other team on the ramp that was searching for me.
Okay, I'm telling you. I'm sorry. Is it better now, Sumoji? I think it's better now. I just lowered the game sound. So what happened there, Jetly? I got knocked because there was someone behind me. Okay. You ulted. You remember? So that guy was the teammate of the guy who just landed, and you said don't shoot.
Ah,
Of course. So two guys pushed you while the other guy still was behind us. And
I see.
we died, and one more team then pushed them from the right side. Yeah, there was lifeline all the time behind us. Thank you for letting me
that
know,
team
Sumochi.
okay.
Yeah. Unlucky. We did really good game there, but Apex stinks. Third party. How was your games, man? Yesterday, you played Battlefield 6. We also played with friends, but it was horrible for us. We did really bad. We died all the time, and we finally we gave up. Actually, you're only playing Battlefield 6. More win than lose, so it was good. Nice. You only play Gauntlet, right? I think Gauntlet is like a nice game mode, but it was so, how can I say? We were struggling, man. It was so annoying. Whenever
What's your
we
YouTube
picked,
now?
my YouTube, I think you can find me if you type at
You know
Tiiroj Gaming.
it ain't great.
T-I-I.
Rampart written on it.
Yeah, at symbol. If you type on Google at
Oh,
T,
at.
yes, Tiiroj Gaming, it will bring you my channel. I got the full game, but the Gauntlet is more addictive. To be honest, I didn't buy the game. I knew I would be burned out. So I said I'm gonna stick with free version.
I'm either with you.
I was sure I wouldn't play the game very constantly. That's why.
I need a link. Oh, I think Fish and Tiiroj? No.
The first one, which has a my picture. I will send you Discord link.
No, yeah.
This is me. I checked yesterday. If you type at Tiiroj Gaming, TIIROJ Gaming, it brings
Got a
you
good feeling about this area.
my channel.
Probably
got the
not for
full
me
game, but
because I'm indifferent, yeah.
Maybe some loot over there. Checking it out.
Jumping. Remember to keep your mouth closed for.
hiç Türk opalım con amigos.
Is that the little one?
What?
Is that your little one?
What is little one? Oh my god, I landed on someone and he has a weapon now.
Got this weapon advanced.
Grenade, watch it.
Broke their shield. I'm down.
How many?
On me?
Enemy close.
On me, one.
Enemy down.
Tossing up some
To me?
cover.
How'd you do that?
Don't die.
How'd you put one up like
Oh my god.
Oh, they changed the barrier like that? Up and down?
It should be res, you know?
Healing up. Eyes are open though.
They're running. Yeah.
Oh, they res, I guess. But it's my only off-stream game. I'm glad that you enjoy it, really.
Putting up some amped cover.
Oh my god, this. Oh my god, one more team.
There goes my cover, mates.
Oh my goodness, I'm dead.
Give me a
I'm very dead.
grenade, heads up. By another
Oh,
squad.
like how, man? I was behind the cover.
Enemy here. Got my land.
I'm killing myself, man. How could it be?
Putting up some get a shot at. Cracking enemy shield.
Fuck off, bitch.
Shoot him!
Amped cover.
don't
You had the
see, I'm
chance.
blind.
You had the chance. He was right in front of you. You
I
saw
don't
him.
see it. I swear I didn't see it. I swear.
Rival here.
I saw him on your screen.
I didn't see. Game over. Hi, Jetly. Welcome, brother. Not enjoying all the time, but yeah, more enjoyable than COD for me or any FPS game now. I think what I miss in Battlefield 6 is the, you know, the smoothness of Battlefield 5, Battlefield 1. That's what I am missing in Battlefield 6. If they, yeah,
If I want my message to be in red, it will be $500.
this in where
I'll send you a picture.
exactly. So I sometimes struggle to see people in Battlefield 6. I don't know what is that. I don't know if it's color or if it's the graphics or if the graphic engine. I don't know what is the problem. That's what
We both woke up today.
I really miss in Battlefield world, which we used to have in Battlefield 1, especially Battlefield 5, man. Battlefield 5 is cinematic. Whenever I play the game, I feel like I'm in even a movie, and I'm main character. I love Battlefield 5, especially Battlefield 5.
This is your champion.
I sent you the pictures. I think.
Ah, super chat.
I'm the jump master.
Okay, don't
So
do that.
basically, yeah, no, so if you want your message to stand out in different colors, you gotta donate it or something.
It's a super
Interesting.
chat. Yeah, it's a super chat. I don't need anything, you know.
You don't need me? Okay, I'm leaving.
I don't need any money, etc. You know, what I enjoy is
They might have seen.
Let's do
friends. That's it. Fuck money.
Yeah.
Wait, am I? I'm not Watson. I'm not Rampart. I'm gonna kill you.
You're a Rampart, your name is Humpy.
Going to phase.
I'm dead.
Recharging my shields.
I have to heal, man.
Good, we're inside.
I got 10 bullets.
Healing up. Eyes are open.
Jet the Yama Gudas.
I'm out of energy ammo. I'll cover for you, mate.
Need ammo.
Enemy killed.
Switch gun.
I'm down. Down a squad mate. Already missed on the shot.
What happened?
Frag out. Thermite grenade out. Reloading.
Friend died.
Alright, another squad is here. Look alive. Enemy shield broken. Healing.
No!
Champion out. Got our squad mate's banner.
No!
You good? Are you good?
No!
He's dead, he's dead, he's dead.
Enemy down.
I'll take his swap.
Let's
Thank you.
No problem. I'm not a battle royale or
Christ.
extraction shooter guy, but I tried almost every popular game, but they are not for me. Bro, I swear I played too many battle royale games, but Battlefield 1 sucks so hard.
Recharging my shield. Don't worry about me. Yeah, I'm here.
You killed 2 or only 1?
Killed one.
There should be another one, I think. His teammate's over here somewhere then.
Enemy shield. Enemy down. Another squad's attacking. Focus.
To our left.
Be open.
There's 2 in here and 1 on you. There's 2 in here.
Yeah, yeah, definitive.
Laying down jammers. Alright, we're the new kill leader. Keep it up. Taking shots here. Close their shields. 50%.
Bitch.
Yeah,
No! Anyone behind me?
Enemy down. Another squad's attacking. Focus.
Different team.
Only enemy left. Picked up our teammate's
Go. Stay in my bubble, stay in my bubble. Rampart, they won't see you, I guess.
I set the portal.
Put some barriers and wait for them come.
They spotted me. I'm taking shots. Reloading.
How many? 1.
I don't know.
I saw 1. 2. I see 2. And
I
a
really
Valkyrie
enjoy.
somewhere.
I really enjoy playing battle royale games, but Battlefield.
Recharging my
You know what is good for battle royale games? That you don't die don't die
Run,
fast.
just run, Tiiroj. Run, Tiiroj. Just run. I'ma die.
Enemies shoot. Recharging my shield.
I downed an enemy.
Nice shot, though.
Getting shot at.
There's like 4 people over here.
1 second, we got this. And that's how you get the job done. Another squad's attacking. Focus.
What is
Avoid
happening,
jumping.
man?
Just us now.
Oh shit!
Need to recharge my shields.
Down 2.
Getting shot at.
Yeah, like 2 teams here.
Oh my god!
20 people on you, hungry shit. Everyone's here.
Going to phase.
Nice. Yeah, he's live.
Punching a tunnel.
Oh yes, yes, yes! I am. I am, yes.
Portal's ready.
Put your thingy
I'm
away and run
lagging so hard.
faster.
I'm so lagging. Yeah, so I was saying that if you play battle royale games, I have -5 play viewers, man.
Patching myself up.
Because I suck as a streamer. Wait, where's
like
the?
Let's go over there.
So, sorry, man, I cannot speak. I'm the worst streamer who streams and speaks at the same time. I never
Good.
do
Inside
that
the next
good.
ring.
So what I was about to say is, battle royale games is not fun
Got a rep hostile
when
over
you
there.
die fast. Apex is good because you really die. If you die in Apex, you die a bit hard. You can escape, you can recover, you can do whatever is necessary.
Teammates banner.
But in Battlefield, you die fast, and that makes the Battlefield experience so bad. Battle Royale experience so bad.
Gotta pull this squad together.
If you want to die fast, you play PUBG. You don't play Battle Royale Battlefield 6 game to die fast. So
1 minute, rings not
I
far.
think the games which make Battle Royale games is missing this thing. They always do the same, like every time the same thing. You die fast. And for Battle Royale it doesn't work well. You have to be able to escape. You have to be able to come back when you die to make it fun. Look, PUBG. PUBG was about to die because of this.
Ring close in 30. Nearly there,
Might be something good this way.
And they had to switch the system and bring the respawn system, so
The portal.
the game is gonna be more fun, right? People don't want to die fast in Battle Royale. Even if you die, you have to come back to have fun in Battle Royale games. That's what I think.
Backing up my cover.
The most boring part for me in these games is that I got looting and it is very difficult to get something, but by then I might get exactly. Yeah, we are talking the same thing. I understand you.
I marked the next ring on your
I understand you, man.
Hey, let's check
Yeah,
out
we are
the
speaking the same
benefits.
thing. You spend too much time, then to die immediately. Gently, I dropped a battery here.
Shield battery here.
So that's why I don't like playing Battle Royale, Battlefield's Battle Royale. And I love Apex. Apex is really fun. You have so many things to do.
Careful. Hostile landed close. Shield broken. Reloading.
Where is he?
Right here.
Enemy over there.
He fall?
Yes.
An opponent.
God dang it, I'm on the bad side.
Downed an enemy.
God dang it. Mother fricker on me.
Enemy nearby.
Killed an
I'll take
enemy.
the stuff. Come.
I'm glad you're on mic. Replicator incoming.
I can't anymore.
Frag out.
Hey, mate. We're down one.
Enemy shield broken. Frag out. One minute.
gonna kill this
Rings not
motherfucker.
far.
Watching this spot.
She's come back. She's come back.
Making contact with enemy.
Ring's closing in 45. It's close. We can go now.
Watch the portal,
Here, here,
please.
Whatever. I'm pumped.
I think he knew, so.
Yeah, she's here.
We're close to the ring. 30 seconds
He
left.
didn't pick up my banner, so
Making contact with enemy.
up top.
Hmm.
You're in their sight. 10 seconds. Close. We got this.
Broken enemy shield.
Nice. Get him.
Reloading.
Mother.
Fire. Okay.
Rings moving and we're all outside.
Feels good when a plan actually works. Nice job.
Either a care package is coming in or the sky's just happy to see us.
Thermite grenade out. Thermite grenade out.
Track the enemies.
Throwing arc star.
Right on you. Yeah.
Feels good when a plan actually works.
Easy, kid.
Placing a portal. Getting shot at.
There's a whole team camping up there, probably.
I set the portal. Need to recharge my shields. Feels good when the plan actually works. Nice job.
Round 4. Beginning ring countdown.
Oh, my optic, man! Gonna kill you!
Attention. Delivering replicator.
Look at this, look at this, look at this!
There's a team right there.
Throwing arc
So
star.
he can get me.
Oh, I'm gonna bring. I'm gonna take his banner. Press, please. Don't die, please. Don't die.
Crafting. Give me a sec. Got our squad mate's banner.
Are you on the?
Throwing arc star.
Mippy controller, yeah.
Octane or what?
Yep.
Mobile recon.
You're in view of the enemy.
Enemy here.
I'm taking shots.
Oh, I can't ult. I misclicked.
I saw that.
I misclicked. Ah, okay. That was fun. Yeah, that's the other part. I have to put 6 magazines in one person. There is no such. Exactly. If I can say this about these games, learn more towards realism. That's why I play Battlefield. I think Battlefield 6 fits very well with Gauntlet. I think that's the thing which fits with Battlefield 6.
I'm gonna go smoke, okay?
Yeah, take your time. If I can say this about these games, now your stream is my lunch show. Thank you. Thanks to you, brother. Unfortunately, we couldn't win the game, but I hope it was fun. This guy sucks, man. How I died to this one? I died because of my mistake. Bon appetit! Enjoy your meal. Guys, please don't forget to like the stream. That's what famous streamers say all the time, and I'm curious if it really works. What happens when you like the streams? Let's find out.
Here's hoping neither of us get the hiccups during this bonanza.
Exactly. It was a good game. It was a good game, and we won what we needed to win. It was fun. We tried to help our teammates twice, third time. Tried to carry their ass. We did our best. Hello, my friends. How are you doing?
Introducing your champion.
Old gamer here, 81 years old.
My fate. And yours.
Oh no, Sushi is AFK, I believe. Caustic. Let's go solo. She's AFK.
This looks like a good place for a funeral.
Understood. I suggest this landing location.
Oh no, there are so many teams.
Watch out. Some weird bloke just about landed.
I'll
on
die.
top of me.
Immediately.
Should inspect that area.
I don't know why I'm lagging, man.
Putting up some amped cover.
Two shotguns? I can't move, I swear.
A subject landed near me. Spotted a subject right
Hey,
here.
mates. Check that map. We're all over the place.
Don't worry about ring fire.
Incapacitated.
Where are they?
Throwing thermite.
Come, Mr. Gonzo, come. I got you.
Putting up some amped cover. This one's free. Remember that. Well done, mate. Time to gotch. Better take a ball and chalk, mate. This place ain't for you.
Recharging shields. I've added a variable.
Yesterday, we met. I met 16 years old player in Battlefield, and he was saying, "Sir, I'm too bad all the time. I had to keep telling him that is not as bad as he thinks, and that it will be improved."
Administering medical aid.
Fighting.
Well said, man.
Reloading. Tossing a frag.
No, my kill.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Let me kindly finish you, please. Stay here. Stay still. Stay still. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Someone want to die.
I'm incapacitated.
Enemies.
Motherfucker.
Holy bloody crap.
Lead the game, please. Lead the game, please.
Enemy down. Amped cover for you, mate. I'm the king of the world, bloody dirtbags.
Talk to me, Caustic. Why are you staying there? I can't help you if you stay there. Very well said, man. Some people need this kind of words
Remember that.
to keep playing the game well. You are an example, good player. Do you have you got cover? No, you don't. Take it.
Administering medical aid. Deploying a variable.
She was full HP and she was running away.
Healing up, hold on.
Adding another gas trap.
Half the teams are down.
Oh!
Putting up some amped cover.
Someone is firing at us.
Fuck, man.
Giving my shields a recharge.
See everything.
What is happening? I'm trying to get back some positivity to this sad and negative world. Well done, man. Well done. Really.
They downed me.
I got you, Mr. Caustic.
Right, getting my cover out of here.
This is the same Loba which ran away and still keeps running, man. Motherfucker.
Getting attacked by another squad.
Alright. Oh, make me sarcastic! Don't die!
This one's free. Remember that.
1 millisecond.
I hate to see you so upset, but I'm just so bloody happy. Attack this area.
There's someone here. Keep ult, be careful. What the fuck? I suck. Oh! How you die, bitch? How was that, huh? Oh my god! Oh my god! I die. Go inside, go inside. I finally failed. And I didn't know there were two. Stay behind this cover. Yes, yes, yes.
I still see everything.
Deploying damage.
I'm the king of the world! Charging my shield.
I almost killed the man. Smoji, your English is probably better than mine. Most probably.
Recharging my shield. One sec.
Take that, motherfucker!
Before you mate. Hey, what's in the winning department? Enemy taken down. Enemy shield.
Take it.
At me.
I killed one more.
Enemy down.
Recharging my shield.
Push.
I found a portal.
What are you doing here? I down two. And I couldn't heal. That's it, man.
Feeling upgraded and ready to take on the world. Or a few flunkers, at least.
Come here, gently. Where are you
Now
going?
good. Up and at 'em. 45 seconds. Ring ain't far at all. Move it or lose it.
Extended heavy mag here. Level 2.
Ah, people, be careful.
Tossing a respawn beacon. Give me a sec.
Damn, I love this game, man.
30. Shield battery here.
Recharging my shield. Don't worry about me.
Kill the motherfucker.
Push there. Those fools won't know where to hit it.
Energy ammo.
Right here, 200.
Ammo here.
Oh, I also didn't
I
like
need
ammo.
light ammo.
I don't have ammo, man.
Thanks.
We're outside of the ring and it's moving. Alice.
Let's attack here. Poor kids don't even
This
know
is the
what's on.
same. There's a Loba all the time with the sniper. I'm gonna kill this guy. Watch out.
Placing gas trap.
Care package coming in. Whoa. Firing. Reloading. Getting shot at.
Oh, she has 2 times jump.
Charging my shield. That's my jam, mate. Drinks on me. I need light ammo.
Attention, the champion has been eliminated.
There goes the champion.
How dare you kill my teammate? My kill.
I took an opponent.
Guys, I need light ammo. Got none.
I need light ammo. Get enough. Hold on.
Oof.
Taking shots here. Go here. Laying down jammers.
Sustaining injury.
Eat that.
Incoming replicator. What a marvel of science.
Let's settle for as well.
Getting shot at.
Are you winning, son?
Tossing up some amp cover.
Are you winning, son?
Ring close in 1 minute.
Jetty, I no longer hear you, huh?
Shield battery here.
Can you hear me? Jetty, can you hear me?
The ring is
I'm mute, sorry.
45 seconds remain before
I
closing.
was talking the whole time.
It was so weird. Like Jetty won't speak. There's no way.
That means we're top 3.
I was
There's
talking the
no
whole
way.
time.
There was no way the Jetty's gonna shut up all the time.
We are close.
He said shut up to me, okay?
No. I
charge
didn't mean
tax
to
now.
be. I didn't
I
mean to
charge
be rude.
tax.
It's the way I explain myself. Like I'm rude naturally. Oh, that's a sad.
You said.
We're close to the ring.
Oh, who's this?
Amp cover for you, mate.
Idiot.
Throwing an arc strike.
Enemy shield broke.
Alright, I'm busy with my stuff.
Putting up some amp cover. That's my jam, mate.
Yeah, you think you're pro.
Mate. This place ain't for you.
I'm busy because I need with.
Kid's annoying. Where is he? Eat it, kid.
Heal me.
Gosh. I can't. This kid's one. You're back.
I
Oh my
died.
God, everyone's shooting.
I'm so lagging, man. I don't know why. GG's. No. It's my bad. He used our barrier to kill our teammate. Unlucky, man. I was very low. You should have killed this Wraith or Octane. I don't know who was that. Yeah, Octane. He was 1 HP and run away.
We have our Apex champions.
Have you
Oh,
tried
that was
this
the last
game?
team.
Yeah, it was.
Nice.
Have you tried this game? Smoggy?
You know Smokey? Smokey was in Black Ops, I think.
It's a friend who I met in Battlefield. His name is Smoggy. A lot, really? So you understand the game's logic, right? I don't have to say I'm Rampart or I'm this thing and I have to ult. Apex is fast game. You already know about this game. Smoggy Battlefield. Oh, Black Ops 3. What is Smoggy? A character name in Battlefield 3, Black Ops 3?
Syndicate's gonna regret letting Mad Maggie off her leash.
No, he's a player in Black Ops 3 that's pretty good.
A player who plays the game, right?
Mates and I have tipped off.
That used to play the game.
Losing.
Well, he also plays. I think maybe that's the. He also streams on Kick. Maybe he's famous. You know
could be.
Smoggy, yeah.
This is your champion.
Yeah, because I was one of the best in, what is it, not core,
I'm the governor.
hardcore.
Time to cause some mischief.
I used to compete a lot.
Hmm.
But they didn't officially have it like an ALGS because all of the ALGS is core. If that makes sense.
Here we go, mates. Let's get
Where everyone has shields and everything, but in the hardcore you had no shields.
Damn, so many teams here. Holy shit. Since we are landing late, let's go from this side, then push them while they're fighting. I got a Mozambique! Jetly, you
I'm
went
with
too
everyone
close.
over
You
here.
went too close. I told you that we are late.
Throwing thermite.
uh,
Throwing thermite. Tossing a frag.
Where?
on me.
Finishing you?
Enemy shield broke.
How dare you, man? How dare you, man?
Took down
How
an
dare
enemy.
you finish my friend, huh?
Got our mate's banner.
Kill him.
I'm gonna finish him. This is how you do, man. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm doing it. I'm doing this.
Girl.
I did it.
Bruh. Yeah, you did it.
This one's free. Remember that.
Hooray! Hooray!
It showed 3 kills on your feed in red that you just killed them, and I tried to clip it. That's insane.
I did it! And I achieved the mission as well, Jet. Yeah, I finished that guy who finished. Oh my god.
Some punkers shooting at me. Frag out.
I killed him.
Knock him down. Get the crowd.
Run, 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 run. Oh, you killed the one. Okay, nice, 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 nice.
Revive.
He's gonna push. He's gonna push. Behind you. See behind me. Unlucky, man. Unlucky.
GG's.
GG's. I don't think I'm famous. Maybe he mixed me with someone. Nah, you were famous. Maybe in a different world. I came up with this name in 2004. You see, you're an old player. You probably own the name, and since then, quite a few people have used it. I should have trademarked it. Yes, exactly. Nah, you own the name. You own the name. Ah, yeah.
So what did he play? On me. What does Smokey play?
How dare you, man? How dare you, man? How dare you finish my friend, huh?
Shooter.
Hi everyone.
I'm gonna finish him.
Only a screen away if
That's
you
how
need
you do,
me.
man. I'm dead. I'm dead.
So many targets in so little time.
I'm doing it. I'm doing this.
As Muppets burned down my life before. This should be a walk in the park.
Hooray! Hooray! Do you know Peanut? That motherfucker is so funny, man.
Huh?
Do you know who's Peanut? The burned Peanut, a gamer streamer on YouTube and Twitch.
Yes, yes. 35,000 average, I know.
I think he is using bots too. I mean, he's famous. I enjoy watching him,
Jumping. Remember
but
to keep
He's
your
I
not
don't
famous,
think.
he just has a lot of viewers.
What does it mean,
He's
Jet
new.
Li?
He's new.
He's famous. I mean, he earned that. He's entertaining and he's famous. Otherwise, you can't get views.
Landed close. Putting up some
He used AI.
Took down an enemy.
I got no ammo.
Me neither.
He's jumping down.
I'll go back. I don't like this.
Tossing up some amps cover.
Yeah, I got nothing now.
I got no ammo. What the fuck is happening, man?
Cover for you, mates.
Alright.
Did you die?
Yeah. Into rest, diagonal rest.
I don't think anyone saw.
Unfortunately, my name memory is not the best. Not really. I pay attention to who I'm grinding in games. It's also lucky coincidence that I found Tiiroj. Yeah, you did really good. You were nice that you have come to my stream and say that you're also a streamer. Nice. Without you, I wouldn't be able to find you.
Amps cover for you, mates.
Bro, leave me alone.
I suck, man.
Better take a ball and jog, mate. This place ain't for you.
I had nothing. Literally, I had no ammo, man. I had no ammo. Yeah, you came. I normally go to the streamers, but they are not friendly. Even they don't have viewers, they don't speak, and it's hard to communicate with them. You type to them, they don't respond you at the moment, and it's hard to communicate with them. But since you came to my stream, and I really liked that, and I found out that you also stream, and I think we should play together some games. Yes. So Jetly, I think we tried our best, but the problem is that I couldn't find ammo, man. I had no ammo, no shotgun ammo, no energy ammo. We knocked several people there, but they didn't die. That sucked for us.
Don't worry. Now we find nobody because we have our sweats on.
Who's our sweat son? Octane?
Our characters.
We should find something else, man. A different name.
Different game. What, you want Overwatch?
I mean, Overwatch is fun. We can play one more game and then we'll see.
Monopoly?
Nah, man. I think
a
Overwatch
10-hour
is fun.
game.
Yeah, I have started streaming in 2020 when I lost my job because COVID. My max view count was 1,200 with what? Really? How do you get that amount of viewers? What were you playing? How come? Maybe someone used bot on your channel. They did on me, you know. I never wanted that, but a friend did that, like doing a favor, but I didn't like that. Yeah, it's hard to build a new what's called a new community, man. It's hard.
I've been dreaming of this moment all day. I've also been asleep.
Okay, maybe you were funny. Maybe you were doing roleplay, and if you are doing good, people will watch that. Yeah.
Introducing your champion.
Reporting Tiiroj. You can do that, no problem. They will see I'm a honest person, and they're gonna kick you instead me, Jetly. Ah, that's why.
Let's get messy.
I think they're gonna ban me for this. Yes, 100%. Let me send some voice message to these guys.
Better take a ball and jog, mate.
Okay, mission done.
Wow, look who it is. It's you.
I don't know why I'm lagging, man. My game is not smooth. So much micro stutter.
Mine's better.
Like it's so. That we are not with you. We are looting. We are looting. We are not with you. I have a charge rifle.
Tossing up some amp cover.
Come on, man, jump. He didn't. He's scared.
Of course you're scared.
Shut. I cannot slide, man. I swear this is so bad. I can't slide, man.
Jump! Nah!
Giving my shields a recharge.
My nade hit that guy. Oh,
I hate that hemlock. It always single shots now.
Die, bitch.
Who will challenge this perfect physique? I'm down. Need a
There's a Gibby somewhere too.
Amp cover for you, mate.
I knocked GB. I'm dead.
He's nearby. I've got 30 seconds on the clock.
Will anybody
Not yet.
challenge them?
Oh, my ass.
Putting up some amp cover.
Oh, yes. Bro, I swear my game is
Where
so
the hell did he
laggy.
come from? Yeah, I didn't even see that guy come. The second guy.
Is Octane? He's fast. I have to restart my game, man. If you want, we can play some Overwatch. What do you say?
Up to you.
Okay, let me restart my game. I think it doesn't worth to play different game. Let's play a few games more. It's gonna be lunchtime here. I wish all streamers were like Tiiroj. Nah, you're also nice, guys. You're also nice. I can't say you are that good like me. I'm gonna say some nice words to myself. Of course you're not gonna be that pro like me, of course, but you're nice like me. Or I am nice like you. Yeah. My game is so struggling. My game is so laggy, man. Probably because we are playing in different platforms, Jetly. What you say? You are controller and I console. I'm PC.
Nah.
I think cross.
It's always been like that, even when I was on my laptop.
Really?
Yeah.
I think
Probably
if you
because we're
play
so
on.
far apart.
No, but it's not gonna affect my gameplay. The ping is okay, but my ping is okay. There's like a server side issue. Like server is giving problem. Like streaming from CPU or GPU. I'm using my GPU. My GPU is better than my CPU, and I don't want to give extra work to my CPU. Jetty, I no
But
longer see you online.
CPU usually has more memory, I thought.
What?
The CPU can have more memory than the GPU.
No, but it's not about GPU. GPU has decoder, special decoder to send the streamer image to the streamer platform, while CPU uses cores. If you use GPU, the cores are gonna be so busy sending the information taken from GPU, and it's gonna bottleneck, and it's gonna cause you CPU. Yeah, it's gonna cause you FPS drops, while GPU is going to use a separate part decoder, and it's not gonna cause you FPS drops. I would say you would be better off with the CPU. Yes, it depends. If you are playing graphics, what, for example, if you play a CPU heavy game like Battlefield 2042, there's no way you should use your CPU to stream. You're gonna have so much problem. But if you play not heavy game for GPU, CPU, okay, a game which uses less CPU but more GPU, then you can. It all depends on the game which you play. Because some games use so much CPU, like 2022, Battlefield 2022, 2042, you can't use your CPU. Whatever CPU you use is gonna bottleneck your GPU. You have to give the hard work to the GPU. Loba, you killed your teammate. What?
The Loba you're chasing the past game, that's probably her.
What she was saying?
Nah, you're not
Oh
gonna lag
my
anymore.
god, man. I swear the game is very smooth now.
Yeah.
Why this happens?
Because we're on different opposite ends of the world. You're like 12,000 miles away from me.
Oh my god, man. It's so smooth now. That sucks. You have a nice GPU. You have a nice CPU. But even if you say, I mean, your GPU is very good. It's more capable of doing your stream. How can I say? For example, you can use your CPU, but if you use a slower decoder, you will see that the CPU is getting higher and higher. And if you check GPU usage, I'm sure it's not 100%. We have to check. We have to benchmark to understand what is going on.
10 seconds, right next door. Easy.
For example, if you play one day Battlefield 2042, do a benchmark.
Outside the ring and a wall of death is coming our way.
Probably like 20,000. And like 13,000 rendering.
I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna share my screen, not game capture, so you can see what I mean. Dun, 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 dun.
Care package being delivered.
Care package on the way. I like the sound of that.
Okay, you should be able to see the overlay on the right side. Okay,
Jump drive.
so my CPU usage is 45% and my GPU is 83, not even uses my full power. If I enable this, it's gonna push the FPS and my GPU usage is gonna be 100%, as you can see, and my CPU usage is also increases.
GPU.
Oh, we've got a new kill leader.
So as you can see, my GPU is not even 100%. If I increase the graphics, settings, you will see it's going to be almost 100%. More high now. And my CPU is also increasing. So it is now 60%. If I use my stream with CPU, believe me, it's gonna hit like 80%. And my GPU is going to be like not working. So
But why is your memory clocked at 2500 top? You don't have 3200 sticks in there?
which one?
And your RAM?
This one.
No, your RAM. What is your frequency of your RAM?
It's 3200.
Oh, 3200, okay.
So you have to know what your PC is doing while you're gaming. If it uses more CPU, then you have to go giving the hard work to your GPU. If your CPU is not full, you have to go for CPU. It all depends on the situation. So if I go play Battlefield 2042, my CPU usage is always more than 90%, and there is no way I should use my CPU for streams. It's situational. I don't know if I explained the situation. This is a technical issue, technical information, so my English is not that good. I have 32 gigs of RAM.
Got an Evo harvester here.
Not enough RAM, probably.
My CPU is good, not bad, but I prefer my GPU because I checked the specs, no, the stats of my game, actual game, how much CPU it is using, how much GPU it's using. For example, in this case, it's still not. I'm using high settings, almost max, and it still doesn't use my 100% GPU. Then why I'm going to use my CPU? Doesn't make sense. The Alienware M15R5 is a 15. Wait.
Recharging shields.
Arcstar out.
Rain down some destruction.
No, they have bubble. I'm busy looting. Don't shoot me. I'm busy, don't shoot me. Ooh.
My favorite kind of
Use my Phoenix kit.
the kind that's all
Did you see? Did you see that? Did you see that? I also love Nvidia. I had to try.
Shooting. Amp cover for your mates. Shield there.
They are running.
Shield.
Not one.
Reloading. Enemy taken down. Bunker shooting at me.
Activating jump drive.
Crap,
I
I'm
died.
down.
Fuck. I also prefer. We gotta rest. Fast.
Don't worry, bro. You're gonna be okay. Gibraltar's here.
Charging my shields. Tossing up some amp cover.
Fuck me. I also prefer Nvidia.
Watch it. Airstrike.
Is yours?
I'll be RB, okay?
45 seconds. Recharging shields.
You got this, bro.
You hear me, Tiiroj?
Yeah, I hear you. I'm just so nervous because we are dying. Oh,
Don't worry.
Amp cover for your mates.
oh, yes, shoot.
Charging my shield. Putting up some amp cover. Enemy here. Enemy. Tossing up some amp cover. Rings moving and we're on our side. Hey, what's wrong? Lacking in the winning department? Another enemy down.
What up, bitches? Are we gonna die? No. Okay, so I also prefer Nvidia. Fine, I'm gonna be able to speed now.
Coming in.
Because of the quality, man. On Twitch, it is very good. I had to buy AMD because I don't like the prices, man, for Nvidia. It's so high. It's very high. It was, the price was way higher than Nvidia, AMD, while the performance was lower than the CPU which I have. So I always said I'm not gonna pay $7,000 for a GPU which underperform compared to AMD GPU. It sucks on Twitch, but the issue is not AMD. It's Twitch policy requires high less bitrate for the performance. That's where AMD sucks. It's the bitrate issue. But it's crazy good on YouTube, as you can see. I'm using my CPU, my GPU, and the graphic, the game stream looks crazy good.
Not too far, but we should hustle. Let's go over there.
Nope.
Respawn beacon over there.
I also had problem with the CPU, but I have now, but it died once I got at a place, and since I got no problem with
Rings
it.
closing in 30.
You mean-
It ain't far. If you're scared, well,
Oh shit! Oh shit!
putting up some amp cover. Up close and in my freaking face.
Let's play. Let's play. Let's play.
Finally, that tower. Time for a dine and dash. Hmm?
Civilian airstrike.
Headshot him. Octanes is low.
Bring the party. Yeah, got a care package coming in.
Shield bin down.
Charging my shields.
Don't you have a beacon, a small beacon?
Don't shield out.
Oh, you don't? You suck. What are you doing?
Watching out, OT. Not a bad idea to catch them first for once.
Round 4. Beginning ring countdown.
Firing. Good. Inside the next ring. Some targets shooting at me. Putting up some amped cover. Charging my shield.
Oh, my teammate is AFK, man. Okay, I understand. He's AFK. Unlucky. But the game was fun. Okay, sorry guys. I think I have to start doing on what's called just chatting. It's hard to speak, man, while you're playing games. So you were saying that did you said what I have is Ryzen 9 3070. But to be honest, I'm not AMD guy. I have responded that cost me 1,500 4 years ago. Okay, your PC, Jetly, I understand. I've got 2 full AMD configuration and I got really bad experience with it. Really? Maybe they were all GPUs. I had no issues with this GPU, man. I'm really so happy. Whatever I did, heavy test, etc., high GPU usage, extra 8K graphics. You know, I did so many stuff on this card to test its limit. I installed different drivers, tested, etc. I think if it was something else, it would fail all the time. But this graphic card is very powerful. I had no issues. Maybe there was something else. So many people blame AMD while having Windows issues, for example. I don't know if that's the case. I also had problem with the CPU. The only one problem, which if you are not a partner, your viewers won't get called to option. You got that. Yes, of course. Yeah, partner, no, affiliated. Partner is something else on Twitch. Partner comes after affiliate. So first you get affiliated, then you have the quality options. Partner is when you hit 150 viewers during the time, then you are being partner. The second biggest, they stealing your money so hard. Twitch, right? All time the CPU and GPU died at the same time. Really? I don't know, man. I haven't faced this problem. Never. I don't know. This is my first PC, my second CPU, because I had to upgrade my i5 8600K CPU, and I picked this one. And I had NVIDIA GPU, which was 1080 Ti, 1070 Ti, and I switched to AMD since 3 years, 3 years ago, and I'm really having fun.
Let's go for a ride.
So let me tell you what I have experienced on Twitch. If I use my AMD GPU, it doesn't give me the option. When I select, I mean, it's not about affiliated or not. If you change the resolution, for example, it's sometimes not giving you. If I select my AMD GPU, okay, to stream and change the resolution to 936p, it never changes. Never. But if I go from 936p to Full HD 1080p, I always get that option. Always. 100% works. So maybe you have to check your stream settings. If you are using CPU, try GPU, you will see it's gonna give you 100%. I've tested this. Yes. It's very super, bro. I don't know why it happens. It sucks.
You want me to try and go on my laptop and see what happens?
As you wish. I'm gonna stop playing, I guess. It's gonna be lunchtime. I'm just trying to lose some time before I go sleep. But if you want, you can join. Yes.
You go to sleep? I thought
No,
you already
lunchtime.
slept.
Lunchtime.
Huh?
Lunchtime. Gonna have lunch soon. I would have to stop playing. Know
I
what
don't
I mean?
understand.
Lunchtime, lunch, eat, food.
Oh, lunch.
Yes.
Ah,
Next ring's far. If you got a rocket ship, now's the time to use it.
lunch 1 hour? 2 hours?
I don't know, man. Since it's fiesta here, off day. Maybe I will go outside with my family. That's why
Oh,
I cannot
gotcha,
say
gotcha.
anything yet.
Okay.
But we can continue at night. We can play together with Javi, you, Smoggy, together Battlefield again. Since he's playing mainly Battlefield, he might carry us. Looking for a light weapon. There's no light weapon. It depends on how many partners are streaming. For example, because they are prioritized to get better servers, I'll talk to Hungarian Sport when I start to stream. Yes, yeah, exactly. They have better service compared to affiliated people. That's 100% correct. But what I have said is also a different case. You know what I mean? I tested myself. I tested it and it is 100% works for me. Whenever I change the resolution, I always get the option, quality option, always.
Yeah, leave it without me. Bring it on. We've got an Evo harvester here. I'm upgraded and better than ever.
I have to change my sniper, man. I don't like this. Battlefield 6 only, but I got only my bride as a teammate. None of my friends wanna play Battlefield. Ah. So if you want, we can play together today, but we are 3 players.
Open supply bin here, mate. Putting up some amped cover.
We are 3 players. If you join us, we are gonna be 4. Are you gonna play with your bride? Or are you gonna be playing solo? If you're gonna be playing solo, we can join you. I want to be cool, but my overall carry is... Ooh. Be cool, man.
One in the distance. Doesn't interest me. Take that back. My bad. Use your eyes.
Catch him.
Fancy another? Enemy taken down.
Come here. Okay. If you are gonna play solo, we join you.
Never become a legend running around like a chicken with its head stuck where the sun don't shine.
He took back.
Thermite out.
Nice.
Amped cover for you, mate.
Oh my god, I'm dead. Oh my god. Take it.
Check out this way.
Different team.
Can't believe I'm standing still. You're lucky, I like you.
Give my shield to recharge.
Amped cover for you, mate.
They're very sus, man. They're very suspicious, I swear.
Yeah, I think they're
I don't have mats. Maybe we can go right side?
That way. Get my cover out of here.
Pop in the chimney.
Uh,
Come on in.
guys, I got no heals.
Up in the chimney.
I can drop you bandage.
Merci, merci. Horizon was low, but he went away.
Someone's been there.
Yeah.
I'm always offline, so if you playing, just hit me up with some message, and if I online, I'm gonna answer. All right, sure. He might be in front of us. Bro, I swear this guy's cheating. I swear. He has wall hack.
Right. I have 0 heal.
Move that way, mates. Charging my shields. Tossing a frag.
coming in for a landing.
Yeah, Octanes.
I'm down. Contact. On my monitor.
I need help.
GG guys. Yeah. What's your Discord? I can add your Discord if you want. You know what is suspicious? Like, imagine my friend is fighting while I'm flying, okay? I accidentally hit the wall and I'm walking actually. There is no way you will check that part because nobody is gonna be there. But somehow he shoots me while I'm there. There is no way you will know I'm there. You know what I mean? I'll show you guys. Like,
Yeah, you do this.
look. Look. Nobody will ever land. Nobody ever lands to here. Nobody. And that's why nobody checks this part. But this friend is goes before me to the house. So what is normal is that they shoot these guys, not me. But look what happens. All right, sure. Look what happens. Look. Look. They cannot see me. But look. He shoots me, man. How do you know, man? This is what I mean. Like, are you brain dead? Bro, I swear this guy's cheating. I swear. If I fly, he will see me, but I'm behind the wall. Look. I'm walking. Like, you can't see me here. There is a chance he will see me, yes. But come on, man. Come on. Bro, I swear this guy's cheating. I swear. I don't know, man. Like, imagine my friend is fighting. Shut up, dude. While I'm flying. What are you saying? Okay, guys, I think I'm done for today. My gaming need is full now, 100%. Gamer Souls gives you 500 plus awareness point. It's nothing. 500 is less. I mean, it's little. It gotta give you more. I hate this cheaters, man. I swear. I hate this kind of cheaters. And this team knocked me very fast. And after they knocked me this fast, they shoot me a suspicious way. That's why I think they were cheating. Only the moment when he saw me on the high ground, I wouldn't call him cheating. But it was before. He knocked me fast. My friend also said they are so suspicious, and he shoot me while I'm in the edge of the map in a building. That's why I say they are cheating. I normally don't call people that often cheater, but yeah, there are some moments that they are suspicious. Guys, I get it. My optimism says it must be luck, but my it's exactly. I feel the same. My friends, thank you so much for the company, or how you say, for joining me for this amazing gaming moment. Even we had bad moments, mostly we had funny moments as well. We're gonna play tonight, since tomorrow is off as well. We're gonna play Battlefield 6, most probably the same mod. Hobby and Jedley just started playing the game, even though Hobby is old player, but he is not that good. But I think we can have fun playing for full team. So if you join us tonight playing Battlefield 6, Smoggy, we will carry you, don't worry. Thank you, my friends. Thank you. And I'll catch you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye. Oops. A technical problem, but we will fix it.